Pare, lumabas ka. Ikaw lang nagdadala. Ikaw lang nakakashoot.
Advance. Shot clock down on 15. Shot clock down on 10. Last call, 5 to shoot. Foul, jersey number. Jersey number 13, Kudya, hand check violation. Side throw inbound. And to shoot. Omar. Grab the Adags. No good. Oras natin, 9.9 seconds para sa ating last and final quarter.
Lamang na sila.
15 to shoot. No good. Requesting for substitution, Team El Presidente. Jersey number 11, Adags Bombita. 2 points. John Castro. Binigay kay Mapintan to Castro. Shot lock down on 15. Kudya. Drop to Mingito on the corner. Carson 3. Jersey number 16. Mingito. 3 points. This is the 12th deadlock of the game. Oras natin 8 minutes para sa ating last and final quarter. Jersey number 11, Adags Bombita, 3 points. And to shoot. No good. Rebound by Castro na punta kay Adags Bombita. Adags Bombita nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 11, substitution rep. Amats out. Joel Hernandez in. Ferrer, binigay kay Hernandez, back to Ferrer, shot clock down to 15. Hernandez fires on three, no good. Requesting for substitution, El Capitan. Wow, ang ganda ng mga assist ni Bossing Vic Soto. 2 points, nakakuha tayo ng foul and one play. The basket is down, jersey number 4, pushing foul, and down play. Requesting for substitution, Team El Capitan. No good. Adags. Ferrer, maghanapin. Hernandez, shot clock. Talantin. Hernandez, 2 points. To shoot. Last call. 5 to shoot. Oh, good. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 29. Illegal contact run. Substitution rep. Pasok. Oras natin 6 minutes and 21 seconds. para sa ating last and final quarter. Official score 59-56. Lamang ng tatlo ang El Presidente. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number. Sir, paulit. 33. Timeout. El Presidente. Dalawa pa po ang timeout ng El Presidente. Ang El Capitan, isa na lang.
Dalawa pa time out niya. Dalawa pa kayo ka pala time out.
Pahinga lang.
May dalawa ka pa.
Kaya ka pa rin.
One for penalty. El Capitan.
Wala lang bibitaw. Wala lang
That is six.
Naawa siya kay Gerard. Si Gerard lang naawa siya.
Mukhang hindi pa nababalik ah. Hindi pa nababalik ang kaibigan ko. And to shoot. Last ball. 5 to shoot. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 33. Mapindan pushing foul penalty.
Mami Astig, relax ka lang. Huwag kang nalilito.
Presto. Good. Amat, bawalan mo naman yung ito. Second throw. Good for two. Itrogo. Atax. Atax nakakuha ng foul. Handshake foul. Foul jersey number 73. Handshake foul. Shooting two.
Relax ka, Astig. Kaya delikado yun.
73.
Oo, tumitigis na yung
Good
bigote.
for a second personal foul.
Di mo!
Last throw.
Hindi ko na...
Good. Now establish pivot foot. 15 to shoot. Check by Ferrer.
Siya lang kumakat eh.
Shot clock down on 14. Guyastig. Guyastig attacking the lane. Uvik Sota shot clock down on 10. Foul, jersey number. Jersey number 16 moving forward. Pushing foul. Down the ball.
Para shoot ko dyan!
Guyastig. Pinigawin ko. Shot clock down on 10. Ferrer, initiate ang contact. 2 points.
Mahaba pa yan.
Castro. And to shoot. With Coco. Guyastig. Last call. Time to shoot. Traveling violation. Last time out nila. Pag time out kayo. Last time out nila. At kung time out na kayo. Hindi ko rin ibibigay at tumatime out yung player sa loob. Kailangan sa labas ng court na time out.
Lumabas kami ko rito sa labas.
Official score 64-56. Substitution na yung oras natin 4 minutes and 34 seconds. All good. A big shot. Adams. Defense by Adams. Jersey number 11, Adams. Bombita to point. Good. Adams to Joel Hernandez. Oy! Defense. Requesting for substitution, yellow team. Shot clock down on 10. Last call, 5 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 13, penalty. Penalty. Substitution rep.
Pangit pala yun.
Oras na rin, 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Tira, pero kung open naman, tira.
Lulopos ako ba? Oo. Lulopos ako. Tumayo kayo.
Pare, gamitin mo na yung kapagkakon doon. Gamitin mo na yung kailangan mo gamitin. Lakas pa asa doon. Kinakalita ka ba?
Boss! Pauwi na! Balik pa!
Nice one!
Nice one, nag-plak-plak mo si Areco.
Okay! Go! Forward! Go!
Complete, 2-point play. Good, no whistle, no violation. Continue the game. Jersey number 13, Jamie Puja, 3 points. Last 3 minutes. And shoot. Last call, 5 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 29, holding foul, shooting 2. Jersey number 29, second personal foul. First throw by Bombita. Number 1. Diba? Nakakawala sa laro pagka nakikipag-musika pa. No good, lumang by Bombita. Shot clock down to 13. Down to 10. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 13. Kuya. Last 15 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot. All jersey number 5. Blind foul, shooting. Jersey number 5. Second personal foul.
Hindi ka tawa sa'yo, pare. Tama na na.
Presto by Adams from Pita. Laki nang nagiging tulong na rin ngayon.
Nakakapunto sa connector.
Maganda ang pagmong dalawa ngayon. Hoisting up the national good, Iwang Adams on the ball. Shot knock down on 10. So good. Ganapin to Adams. Last 1 minute. And shoot.
Ay, nakakita mo
50 seconds.
Delikado ba yan?
Points. 48 seconds. Ganapin. Kompita. Ganapin. Last 10 to shoot. Last 5 to shoot. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 13 seconds. The sign of the sportsmanship. Nung may lumabas at hindi na pumasok, lumaki ang lamang. Sino kaya ang may taglay? Woo! Sino kaya ang may taglay?
Pwede yan, nice game.
Huli lang ang malag.
Ano naman tumika ako, layo ng tingin.
Nice game. Congratulations both teams. You